Welcome to England, a land of breathtaking landscapes, timeless history, and rich cultural heritage. From ancient castles to modern marvels, join us on an unforgettable journey through the wonders of England. England's landscapes are nothing short of magical. The Lake District, an inspiration to poets like William Wordsworth, offers stunning glacial lakes and rugged mountains. The White Cliffs of Dover stand as a symbol of resilience, welcoming travelers for centuries. And along the Jurassic Coast, millions of years of Earth's history are revealed in its fossil-rich cliffs. England is a land steeped in history. The prehistoric monument of Stonehenge continues to puzzle historians with its mysterious origins. The Tower of London, once a fortress and prison, now guards the priceless crown jewels. And Windsor Castle, the world's oldest and largest occupied castle, has been home to British monarchs for nearly 1,000 years. England's architecture tells a story of its evolving identity. Westminster Abbey has witnessed the coronation of kings and queens for centuries. The iconic Big Ben stands tall in the heart of London, marking time for the nation. Meanwhile, York Minster's Gothic beauty takes visitors back to medieval England with its magnificent stained glass windows and towering spires. England's cultural legacy has shaped the world. The works of William Shakespeare continue to inspire generations, while the British Museum holds treasures from across civilizations. The prestigious universities of Oxford and Cambridge have been centers of learning for over 800 years, producing some of the greatest minds in history. While England cherishes its history, it also embraces the future. The modern skyline of London blends innovation with tradition. Football, a national passion, unites fans from all walks of life. And nothing beats the warmth of an English pub where locals and travelers alike share stories over a hearty meal. Thanks for watching. Join our community of explorers and get inspired for your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new travel tips, guides, and hidden gems. Plus, check the description for easy booking links to these amazing destinations. Safe travels, and see you on the next journey.